Itu lari laju 100 meter untuk for 30 seconds. So what will happen to you? What will happen? Huh? In your organ, what will happen? Huh? If you run faster, what will happen? Need oxygen lagi. What beat faster? Your heartbeat. Your heartbeat faster. How about your breathing? Your breathing also faster. You cungap, penat. Kan? Kan dia tak pernah berlari. Tak pernah berlari ke? You lari lah. If I ask you to lari for 30 seconds, so what will happen? Yang pertama, what will happen? What will happen? Yeah, your heart beats faster. Okay. Why does your body need more oxygen? Why? Why you run you need oxygen? Why? Okay, no oxygen will die. Then other than that, why you need more oxygen? Why? Yes, good, Iwan. Tepuk tangan untuk Iwan. So, to produce energy. Faham? You need more oxygen because you want more energy. Okay, so where does the energy come from?
Glucose.
From glucose? Okay, good. Can siap from glucose, from food. Okay, good. So, today, what are we going to learn? Huh? Yeah, aerobic respiration. So today we're gonna learn about how the glucose produce what? Yes, how the glucose produce energy in our body, in our cell. Boleh? So you got the idea already. Okay, so the first one, the learning standard for today, 7.2 aerobic respiration. The first one, conceptualize energy production from glucose during aerobic respiration in cell. And the second one is write a word equation for aerobic respiration in cell. For the third one, conduct an experiment to study aerobic respiration. We will not do experiment today. So we will just focus on the first SP and also the second SP. Okay? Okay, for the overview, aerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration is a production of ATP from ADP and also for phase. So this is the overview. What are we going to learn today? So the first one is aerobic respiration. The what? Number one, what? Yeah, glycolysis. The second one? Oxidation and? Yeah, oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate. So the first one, aerobic respiration for glycolysis. It occurs in where? Yes, glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm. So one glucose molecule will produce two pyruvate molecules, which means the two molecules of ATP will produce so per molecule of glucose. And then for the oxidation or breakdown of
plus water plus energy.
Okay, good. So the product that produce how many ATP?
338.
38. Okay, good. For the chemical equation for aerobic respiration is that one. Carbon ada berapa?
Carbon 6.
6. Hydrogen?
12.
Oxygen?
6.
6. And then oxygen, then the product is carbon dioxide, water and also energy. So when you see this equation, does this equation are balanced?
No.
Why you say no? Why do you say no? Why do you say no? Okay, you see. Salah. So, what is oxygen? Oxygen. Okay, O2. Carbon dioxide? CO2. Water? H2O. And then energy. Okay, you see in front here. Just now, teacher asked you, does the chemical equation balance? You say no. Okay, now you see in front. This one balance or not? Balance or not? No balance. This one balance or not? Yes. This one is the balanced one. This one not balanced. So how we want to make it become balanced?
At 6.
And 6 at O2 and then CO2 and then
H2O.
H2O plus 6 in front. Okay. Faham tak? Faham tak? Ni faham tak? Ya ke? Lain explain. Okay. Okay. Betul apa yang dicakap. So contoh 6 times 2. 6 times 2. 12. So depan dia ada yang 12 tak? Oksigen. Ada yang 12 tak? Salah. Kalau depan dia 12, belakang ada banyak 12. Which oxygen have 12?
Plus 1.
Okay, the first one, this one. So 6 times 2 equal
12.
12. Faham?
Faham.
Faham?
Faham.
Any question? Okay. So next, 1 mole of glucose. Kita tahu 1 mole of glucose is 1.022 times 10 power of 23 molecule. We produce 2,898 kilojoule of energy. Okay? Remember tak? Catat tak? Okay, 1 molecule of glucose will produce about 38 molecule of ATP. Alright? Okay, this is the overview of aerobic respiration process.
Yes.
So when teacher asks you, what is the process of aerobic respiration? Give me two. Number one?
Glycolysis.
The process. Glycolysis. The second one?
Oxidation and breakdown.
Okay, go. Oxidation and breakdown. By the way, so you get the idea already. Okay, now, glycolysis. We want to see how is the process happen. Okay, so glycolysis occur in where? Occur in where? Okay, cytoplasm. Oxidation and breakdown. By the way? Mitochondria. Okay. So the process of aerobic respiration. The first one in glycolysis. Okay, the first one, the process of aerobic respiration it begin with the process of glycolysis. Dia berlaku dalam glycolysis first. It happen in glycolysis. So, what is the definition of glycolysis? The definition of glycolysis. Okay, good. Glycolysis is the breakdown of glucose by enzyme. So, glyco means glucose. Okay, the meaning is lysis. You know lysis? Lysis? Oh, you split. Anak yang kita belajar dekat ni. Ya, hydrolysis. Remember the hydrolysis? Lysis tu apa? Umpama dia macam pecahkan, pecah, pisah, breakdown. Okay. So this process glycolysis that is oxidized and also broken down through a series of reactions to produce carbon dioxide, water, and other energy. What is the product? What is the product? Atif, what is the product? Okay, carbon dioxide, water, and then? Okay, good, energy. So, oxygen is required for this process. Okay, just now glycolysis have oxygen or not? Gerard, in glycolysis, does oxygen occur? No. In oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate? Yes, okay, good. So, a large amount of this energy is used to produce about the 3,6-adenosine triphosphate, which is ATP. ATP maksudnya apa? What is ATP? The same meaning to? Energy, good. Okay, so we produce 36 ATP molecule per molecule of glucose. So look the equation. The equation pyruvate plus oxygen produce carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. How many ATPs? How many ATP? Berapa? 36. Okay, the comparison. Comparison. State the differences between glycolysis and oxidation. So the first one, what? In glycolysis, what? Okay, glycolysis occur in cytoplasm. Oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate occur in mitochondria. And then what? In glycolysis, one glucose molecule broken down, and then you produce two pyruvate molecules. Lepas tu pyruvate oxidized and broken down, it will produce carbon dioxide, water, and also energy. Okay? So glycolysis product dia berapa? Two pyruvate molecules. Berapa ATP tadi? 31? 38. Good. In oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate, how many ATP? 36. Okay, good. So in glycolysis, oxygen is not occur, not used. Okay? How about in oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate? Yes, got oxygen. Okay, and then two molecule of ATP produced in glycolysis, while in oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate have 36 molecules of ATP. Okay, so ada more energy. Mana satu lagi banyak energy guna? Which one? Which one? Okay, number 2, oxidation and breakdown of pyruvate. Okay, now ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is ATP, energy. ATP is energy released from the oxidation of glucose in respiration is used to synthesis adenosine triphosphate. So dari ATP ke dari ATP lah, dari energy. So what is the definition of ATP? Definition. Okay, ATP is an energy carrying molecule used in cellular activity as it can release energy very quick breakdown. Tapi untuk ATP molekul dia punya condition macam mana? With energy rich of phosphate bond. Why for the breakdown? When the phosphate bond in ATP molecule is broken, ATP and phosphate group are formed. Okay, bila dia broken, the phosphate bond, so ATP dengan phosphate group tu akan form. This means the energy release is supplied to cell, which will help us carry out our daily activities. Faham? Faham? Maksudnya bagi energy tu. Boleh? Okay, ni contoh. Summary lah. Aerobic respiration. Tadi yang first, glucose tambah oksigen dapat karbon dioksida, air dan juga energi. Lepas tu daripada energi tu tadi, energi akan pergi ke ATP. Lepas tu fosfat tambah dengan energi akan jadi ATP. Dari ATP tadi kita nak apa? Nak ada energi, more energy, so dia kata balik ATP plus fosfat plus energi. Boleh? Dan barulah kita bila ada energi yang banyak, kita boleh buat macam-macam. That's why ada fase contraction berlaku. Ni contoh cycle dia. Nampak? Pada ATP, dia nak pergi ke ATP plus fosfat. Energy tu release ke apa? Energy tu release ke apa? From the ATP to ADP plus phosphate. Yes, the energy is released for muscle contraction ataupun active transport. Lepas tu kalau dari ADP plus phosphate pergi ke ATP macam mana? Absorb. So energy from oxidation of glucose dia akan store in the high energy bond of ATP. Boleh?
Boleh.
Ni just molekul dia. Okey, dah habis. Faham? Ada soalan tak? Setakat ni ada soalan tak? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you ready to do the
Yeah.
activity kumpulan?
No.
Okey, ambil masa 2 minit. Rehat dulu.
5 minit boleh ya?
Tak nak, 2 minit saja.
Sekarang mau pukul.
Tak, 2 minit saja.
Boleh. Kami ikut keluarga.
Tak. Saya ikut. Tak. Macam mana nak pilih perempuan tu?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ha?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Cikgu bagi random.
Saya pergi.
Ketua baik depan. Okey.
Betul. Saya habis sekarang baik dia. Okey ya.
Okay, buka depan cikgu. Okay, Atif tu berapa? Atif tu 4.
Satu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, mana satu? Satu mana? Satu, dua, tiga. Tiga mana? Empat. Okey. Ketua main depan.
Satu pergi. Wah, sigma.
Tulis paper. Tulis apa-apa supaya nanti korang boleh selesai ya.
Apa boleh tulis nama kamu?
Pen ambil ke depan. Okey dah, yang lain bangun. 2 minit dah, time's up. Ha? Boleh.
Low battery. Low battery.
Ayan, Ivan.
This adalah recording low battery.
Ivan. You have 1 minute more. 1 minute more. You done? Oh.
明白。To produce
最后一个呢？
breakdown of my rate.
Huh?
Breakdown.
The location, where? Where the location? Okay?
Dekat mana?
Betul, dekat kotak.
Glucose.
After you run the exit ticket, you put here. Okay. Okay, orang pertama.
Kenapa tak ada?
Minggu depan. Sudah cuti loh.
Kamu siapa?
Kelas, yang tadi kamu tulis nama, tulis nama. Tulis nama. Oke, hantar dekat dalam masing-masing. Letak. Dah siap? Dah siap? Oke, kita sudah. Semuanya. Make sure everyone hantar. Tulis nama. Benar kedua lagi. Dah, cepat. Tinggalkan. Kau ambil. Dah. Yang ni tadi, semua yang minum tinggalkan. Experiment. Okay, Nas. Bagi bapak balik. Bagi salam. Last one. Last time. Okay, thank you for your cooperation today. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Apa itu? Apa itu? So hari ni kita ajar 7.2 aerobic respiration.